This video will help demonstrate how to access the battery inside an old smoke detector and replace it. Firstly, and most importantly, we must turn off any electricity connected to the device at the mains. This is usually the switch for the lights. To identify whether the power to the device has been turned off, the green light will no longer be displayed. Each smoke detector is different and accessing the battery varies, but most devices should have simple instructional indicators marked on them. This device is telling us to slide to remove. So what we want to do here is hold the base of the device securely in place and slide the cover in the direction of the arrow. This will allow the cover to release and swing open. We can now remove the old battery and replace it with a new 9-volt battery. Be sure to match the battery terminals up correctly, then close the cover up again by swinging it back up to the base and sliding it into its closed position. We can now test whether the new battery is working by pressing on the test button. On this device, it's the button labelled Test Weekly. It should beep to indicate it is working. We can now turn the power back on at the mains and check whether the green light has reappeared. Now that the green light is back on, test it once again just to be sure it is working properly. Even though these smoke alarms are powered by an external power source, the battery ensures they are working when there is a power outage, so it's always important to replace the battery each year. If you have a different kind of smoke detector, I have several other videos on my channel that may help. Otherwise, thanks for watching this long. I hope the video helps. If it does, please like and subscribe to help the channel grow.